Good afternoon, Middle East and Asia Pacific. Good morning, Europe, and a very early good morning. Greetings to the Americas too. From wherever you are joining, we have today a little over 500 people from around the world registered. We are very glad to have you with us. Welcome to our first TaiyangNews Solar and Sustainability Conference. This is the third of our monthly events in 2023. If you've missed the first two, Solar Module Innovations event and the Cell Production Equipment and Processing Materials Conference last month, please check the recordings on YouTube. As usual, the event is organized by our team in China, India, and me in Germany. Everyone says hello as well. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, all about solar. We are a news platform with a focus primarily on PV technology. You can hear me, right? Because I just get some notes, there's no voice.
No problem. So
you can hear me, Min?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So then, before we start with the content, big thanks to the sponsors for this event. The sponsors enable us to bring our conferences and also our reports at zero cost to you. So if you enjoy our events and reports and like to sponsor, speak, or advertise, please get in touch. My colleagues will be glad to send you our media kit. If you're new to us, just some brief information on housekeeping. Please use the chat function, our virtual discussion room, where you can chat with anyone around publicly. I know we're all traveling again, and it's a different experience when you're somewhere physically, but this is as good as we can get. And usually in the past, our chat room has been used quite extensively, making this a quite vivid event. However, as this is a non-moderated chat area, like in a coffee room at a physical event, please keep the netiquette and be always nice with your comments, even if you don't agree with the statements from what is possibly a competitor. Sustainability wasn't on our conference list so far. And indeed, when most think about solar, I'm solar for over 20 years, they consider it inherently sustainability. Power from the sun produced by modules that are made mostly from sand and come with a performance warranty of at least 25 and increasingly 30 years. But it's obviously much, much more. Even if solar power has a low carbon footprint, it is an industrial product. Just checked it, we're consuming, or we have consumed already last year, 12% of total annual global silver demand. And as our learning curve is very steep, doubling installations about every 3 years, our demand for materials will only be growing. And while the modern age of solar only started at the beginning of this millennium, I think we can probably term it that the starting point was the beginning of the 20-year feed-in tariff law implemented in Germany. That means, now being in 2023, that systems increasingly reach their end of economic lifetime. And that is true even more as technology has evolved so much in the last few years. As you can see in our efficiency tables, which we're publishing monthly, we have now module efficiencies over 23%. The new #1 spot is claimed by ICO. And that makes means a lot of business sense to repower solar systems now. So all this in mind, we've structured the agenda for this event. And I would just quickly introduce that. So we've first Ozar Ergel, Min, can you show the agenda? We'll have first Ozar Ergel, the CPO of Aquila Capital, who will talk in his keynote about how a leading developer looks at sustainable concepts for solar power plants. Before Talisman, who's a brand general manager of the world's largest vertically integrated module maker, that's Longi, talk about their sustainability strategy. With TÜV Süd, we have a leader in certification, also in the field of carbon footprint, and its VP strategy and PV, Hailang Xu, will provide us with background on this. Another global module leader, Jinko Solar, represented by global product manager Roy B, will share its strategy how to make sustainable modules. While the important topic of module recycling will be explained by the expert in this field, Jan Klinke, Managing Director of PV Cycle. We have Ryzen Energy's Global Marketing Director, Leon Chuang, who will let us know about Ryzen's design for low carbon footprint products, that they're high efficiency HJT modules. And we have two leading backsheet encapsulation suppliers to talk about sustainability of this important module process material. Once it's Imco Gutzwart, who's the sustainability lead at Endurance and will shine light on circular backsheets. And we have Cybrid's senior product manager, Stephen Gong, with us, who will provide insights into non-fluoro content backsheets with recyclable materials. The final presentation will be given by Tommaso Charmont, Repower lead EMEA at BayWa Re, who will explain us how profitable and sustainable revamping, maybe a new word for some, and repowering of module plants is. We will conclude the event with a panel discussion where we have 4 representatives with different perspectives: module maker, a developer, backsheet supplier, and another developer, but in this case with focus on repowering. And here we will then try to reflect what we learned during this event and answer the question, solar and sustainability, more to do than you think.